Where's the camera? There we are. Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Owen Fox here, New Age Sage Clown Transformer at your fingertips. Welcome to the video. So in this video I want to celebrate the beautiful day and talk about what fruits to be eating on a fruitarian diet. And a fruitarian diet maybe could be potentially classified as 70% or more of your diet coming from fruits. For me, I kind of just generally view it as like all the food, or 95 to 100%, but it doesn't really matter. The idea and the say is the same. It's not about labels and everything else like that, putting yourself in a box or a limited idea or belief system. So fruitarian muscles getting bigger all the time, todo el tiempo. So for me, somebody asked my friend today and me, like, basically what should you eat if you want to like practice and experiment eating a raw food or a fruitarian diet, fruit-based diet. And for me, it's definitely a simple answer. One, listen to your body, eat when you're hungry. So basically eat fruit and exercise, that's the recipe. Eat fruit, exercise, listen to your body, get a good sleep and enough rest to balance and to recover from exercise and life, and to rejuvenate your body, to repair and to heal any damaged cells or any strengthen existing organs and cells. So eat stuff like your favorite fruits that's available or in season. Eat what's available. So it could be mangoes, it could be bananas, it could be peaches, pears, apricots, apples, plums, and all the stone fruits. It could be some dates. You can nibble if you feel like it. You know, listen to your body. Some people say if you have really weakened adrenals, you may not be able to digest fruit or food in big portions. So in that case, it might be better to snack and throughout the day, many small meals, like 3 to 7 or whatever. As much snacking as you feel like, my friends. Other people say eat 2 or 3 meals. 2 is often the typical one they say. It's better not to just stuff yourself the minute you get up. Listen to yourself. Maybe have some clean water, like distilled water. I'll try and put a link in the video if I have distilled water. Getting distilled is my recommendation. Or just have some fruit juice. I had some apple juice today and some herbs from my store. I had some spirulina. I had some Rejuvenate formula. I had some Hoshu. Rejuvenate formula is for your adrenals and hormonal system. And getting enough sleep is really beneficial for your hormonal system. So, yeah, eat as much fruit to your heart's delight. Yesterday I had cravings, so I had some pistachio nuts that were raw with some added Himalayan pink salt, and I had some walnuts with some honey, because raw enzyme-rich honey. Now I know that's not vegan, but that's just the way it is at the moment. I'm trying out a bit of honey just to see how I feel. Yeah, what else? Yeah, I had a few little pine nuts, raw pine nuts. Now everything was raw, basically. So, but on the fruit challenge, eating fruit, I recommend trying eating fruit for just a week or just a month. And I do agree with Orville Douglas and his fruit challenge that I recommend. Omit stuff like zucchini, tomatoes, and squash, any of the botanical fruits. Omit them like almost completely or completely, because they won't satisfy you, but they won't give you enough calories to work, play, and learn, do your stuff in life, and exercise. And no greens, generally no fruit, nuts or seeds, at least for this challenge of detoxification. Just eat as much food to your heart's delight, everyone. Have fun and enjoy yourself. Have fun and enjoy yourself is the most important thing, everyone. It's not supposed to be difficult in life to force yourself to do things you find way too hard and you're so unhappy and sad with. That's a waste of time, waste of life, other than the fact you learn a lesson from it and then you'll stop doing it eventually. And I did that in the past, so I'm sharing you my lesson. So yeah, keep eating the fruits, guys. Simple as that. Durian, mangoes, yeah, whatever you can get your hold on, grapes that you really enjoy. So everyone, if you're new, if you haven't, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you and love to get back to you. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Secondly, if you like this video and it's been of value, please give it a like and a share for other people to benefit and enjoy and learn from also. And subscribe if you haven't already. And other than that, befriend me on Facebook, and I'll see you around the block. I'll see you in another video, okay? Take care, lots of love. New Age Sage Clown Transformer, Owen Fox, signing out.